Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Thursday, guys, and on Thursdays, almost every week, just know that we have jobless claims or unemployment claims. And at this moment, it's going to be very, very, very important because if I still remember, last week the number were very high. I think it was 249. So this week, I think they expect 241. So let's expect this number not to go crazy higher because that will mean that there are so many people who are not really working, are claiming for jobless benefits. And that does have a direct impact on the dollar currency. You see, so that might be, it might be worse. So what we expecting here, we just expect a moderate number, quite similar to what we got on Monday. If you checked Monday, we had service PMI, it was 51.4, not really bad. So service PMI, not manufacturing. So that was much better, moderate, and that was good. So even here, we need something which is not it's not going to be that crazy. But if maybe the numbers are going lower, that will also be good because it will show that no, man, it's not really that bad. That people, maybe there's so many people who are claiming for jobless benefits. You see, so that's what we expect. But if the numbers are going to go like crazy higher, that will mean a bad actually impact on the US economy because we know that yes, they are about to cut the rates and stuff, but we don't really want to see the market just melting like that because that has a direct, a bad direct, like a seriously a bad impact on the economy, and even the stock market gets affected. We saw last night, Nasdaq, US30s, they were just reversing. It seems like they're struggling to recover. You see, it seems like they are struggling to recover. But what can we do? We just have to stay back and relax. Sometimes, yes, we need to trade now and then, but sometimes we don't really have to be in the market non-stop, you see. So now we are on a dollar index. Before we continue, guys, I don't really want you to miss the special that we have. You can pause that video. You can check what it's there and the one that maybe you want. That is actually a special offer, and that is actually limited. For those who wants to be part of the team, they know what to do. So for those who still want mentorship, please let me know because we started actually yesterday. So let me know if you want to be part of our 4 months mentorship, which is $60. So now let's do the quick analysis. What's really happening here? We can easily see that the dollar actually, it is still where it was yesterday or day before that. We can see that the market reached this area. So obviously this might be an area where the market start to think twice. Obviously we just had a very aggressive breakout, so we expect the market to continue going down. But this is good for us or for the market once the market is just consolidating here, because that panic days, I think slowly people, they will start to realize that no, I think everything is good. So then the market, if it start to go lower, that will be a new thing. It's no longer going to be a sort of a continuation from there. So this panic has to disappear around, and we get used to these levels before the market goes down, you see. But the overall structure shows us that yes, that it shows the weakness. This is a breakout. Obviously, we expect a nice downtrend structure, you see. But that is actually not really good at the moment. But I think maybe if we have a nice retest, maybe the market will actually continue going down. Plus, we expect them to cut the rates. Obviously, we're expecting the market to go even lower on dollar index, or dollar to lose some momentum. But this is the area that I think maybe it will reach around 100, let's say 100.500, around this area. I think it's where it can reach before maybe we see a nice recovery, you see. But we will see on the jobless claims if maybe we have something good or not. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? The overall structure here, it still shows us that, you know what, we are still on an uptrend structure. We just touched this level of a support there, but it seems like the market is also playing around. If we go on a smaller time frame or a reasonable medium-sized time frame, I think you will see that the market indeed it's actually respecting our area here. So what we expecting here, we just expect a very nice move to the upside. But since we had some crazy moves, it seems like the market is still thinking twice. But what we know is we are very closer to the support area that we have here. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To keep going even higher. If not, it means that the market might just go even lower, maybe to touch this support area before we see a very nice push. The overall structure there, it's actually a bullish move as we are still on that nice uptrend structure. So I'm expecting a continuation of a buy. So yesterday we had a buy pending order on this structure. Let's go maybe on a smaller time frame, which is going to be a day, a 1 hour. So this is what we have. We had a very proper structure like that. So you can see that the market was trying, actually the market broke out. You see that? So this is what I had, and I sent the signal around this level to say, you know what, that can be a very proper buy going higher. But it shows us that, you know what, the market still wants to play games, but it's understandable, guys. After we saw this, some swing trades, some seriously reversals, I think maybe the market will just take its time to consolidate before we see a very nice push. Plus, we are very closer to the support area. I hope that makes. So I'm still bullish on gold. Yes, it might consolidate here and there, but yeah, I'm still bullish. So on US30, just as this thing is selling, guys, but it's where it was yesterday, day before yesterday. So the market is just playing around the same level. So, and we had a very long term swing trade. So I'm hoping that the market will be respecting this support area. Then we expect to see a continuation of that bullish move. So this is what we have actually. Maybe we can try to adjust this nicely. I think, yes, this seems like the market wants to actually break this area. And if it breaks, we don't really have anything that we can do from there. Obviously, it means the market might be going down. But with this type of a sell, I don't think maybe there is enough room for that continuation. I'm not saying that it's not going to sell. I'm just saying that mostly this type of a sell, that I think it's bit enough. I think we might have a proper reversal, even though the reversal might not be really be as nice as this. I think we will have some crazy moves going further, up, down, up, downs. You can see here, we had a, let me show you that. We had a proper sell here. But look when the market was trying to go higher. Just look at this. Market was just going up and downs. Just look at that. But at the end of the day, yes, the market, it was going actually higher. I hope that makes sense. So this is what I also see on US30. I'm expecting to see a proper bullish move. If the market is still going to respect this level, I think also this area might be something. Around this area, I think we can call that a proper support area. Do you see that? But as we already have this diagonal support, that also makes sense. So this can actually work in our favor, but you need to have that patience, because the market might just play around maybe until tomorrow. It happens, or maybe until next week. But what I know is, with this type of a sell, everyone is expecting to buy. So I'm expecting to see some slower moves around. You see, I'm not really expecting any crazy move. So quite similar to Nasdaq, just as this thing doesn't really want to go higher. But what can we do? Because yesterday, these are bigger moves, guys. This is actually some serious big moves, because the market was here yesterday. I mean, earlier it was around this level. The market reached this level here. Then now we see the market selling. Yesterday it was selling. Today it's trying to recover there, but it seems like we're going to have some consolidation around that level. But besides that, let's go on a bigger time frame and just to understand what's really happening. So on a bigger time frame, we can see that, yes, the overall structure is actually still a very nice bullish move. So you can see around this area, it's actually a very nice support area. Do you see that? If we go further, I think this can actually show you that no, man, even though we had this type of a reversal, but I think it can be it can still be that nice support area. The market still makes sense that we are on that nice uptrend. So we don't really have to force that, but we can easily see that no, we are still on that nice uptrend. And with this type of sales, I think there is a room for the market to do it, to recover. You see, so now let's go closer and see what's really happening. Let's go closer. And unfortunately, we were on this trade. Sometimes the market can go crazy. I was expecting a very nice reversal. Yes, the market can still sell here and there, but the overall move here is actually a very nice uptrend. You see, so this is what we have. Maybe the market wants to respect this area before going higher. We can see that the market already created that. Maybe the market wants to touch this area before going up, or maybe we might have a breakout, which I don't think it might happen. But for us now, I think this is going to be difficult for people who just want to trade non-stop. I think for us now, I think the best way is to just wait for the market to get out of this consolidation structure. We can see here already it was a consolidation structure. So if maybe we can say let's take a buy, we can wait for the market to break out of that. Yes, there are aggressive traders who can actually take a trade here and still get that right. But sometimes it's sad because the market will just play around the same level. You see, but if you don't really over risk, that can also be a good idea because these are going to be the lowest area. Maybe next week the market will be here, the other week the market will be there. That one I think is obvious. One way or another the market will be reversing. But if you are in the trade, you will feel like this is the whole month. The market doesn't really move nice in your favor maybe because it's just playing around the same level. But at the end of the day, yes, we know very well that the market will be going higher. As we know that they're going to cut the rate. I hope that makes sense. You see, so let's go maybe on 1 hour and see. So this is what we have. Yesterday, the market reached this level. So I think mostly for those who don't know, mostly when the market sells like here, mostly the market doesn't really come back around this level. Market might come around here, creates a type of a move like that. So be careful that maybe if you're still waiting for the market to reach here, there is a chance that the market might not really even touch that level. You see, so you should be you should know about that. You should know about that. I don't know if maybe I can show you this on other structures, but mostly when the market sells aggressively, it won't come back around the same level. Yes, it might look like it will come, but nope. Like look at here, look here, look at here. Ooh. So yeah, look here. You can see here that it was a very nice reversal. Boom. This was a much smaller move that we see. So that I'm actually trying to talk about. So mostly when we have this aggressive sell, the market might try to come back there, but it might not really reach that level. So you should understand that maybe that is what it's really happening at the moment, and we expect that. See. So here I'm also expecting maybe the same thing to happen. The market might be trying to give us that type of a move. Next time, once the market breaks here, I think it will come very closer to this area and it continues like that. But at the moment, I feel like let's just relax around this area and just wait and see because it seems like there is a lot. There is a lot of stuff happening. And for those who wants to be part of the team, guys, we have some serious special for you there. You can be part of the team. We start with $18. So scan that QR code or WhatsApp me. Let me know. So now we are on S&P 500. What's really happening? Quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq. The structure is still actually a very nice bullish structure. We can draw it like that as long as it makes sense on your side. So this is what we have. I'm expecting to see a nice bullish move, guys. I'm expecting to see a nice reversal. Yes, the market might still actually show us some consolidation structures, but at the end of the day, I'm expecting to see the market continuing the upside. But at the moment, maybe if you are not in this trade, I think these are the lowest area that we can take trades. But what we know is the market will just try play around before going higher. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. I saw OPEC. I think they did meet yesterday and they cutting the production. That's why we saw the oil go pushing to the upside. So the question is, will it continue going higher? I'm expecting it to break this support, this resistant area before we look for that buy. So if they cut, it means the value of oil is gonna actually go even higher. So we will see. So I'm just waiting for the market to reach this resistance. Then it's up to the market to show us that is it willing to reverse, or maybe are we going to see a nice respect there. So it's up to the market, you see. So I think for now it's enough, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. See you on the next one. Bye.